Hi everybody, this is a video showcasing the project my team and I created for the Global Game Jam in 2017. The theme for this year was waves, so we decided to make a game around pirates sailing the high seas. So when you start the game you have this title screen, which to begin you click on the name here and it'll take you to the world map. The world map will show a series of icons, and each icon is a scenario for the user to play through. There's four different scenarios, storms, treasure hunts, ship battles and port scenarios. During the game jam itself we were only able to implement two, the storms and the combat. So we can jump straight into a storm. So a storm rages towards your vessel, brace yourselves. Batten down the hatches and try to keep the powder dry. So once you click on that, it will give you a couple of seconds before the actual event starts, but in comes the waves and it starts damaging your ship. As you can see, there is some damage states for each of the rooms, so the users can easily see where damage is occurring and how much of a beating your ship is taking. This icon on the left is used to highlight and control your various crew members and turn them to different areas of the ship wherever you need them. So for instance you can send the captain to his cabin and this man to the workshop here to begin repairs, and leave this lady on the deck to handle the sails and keep the ship moving forwards. And ship is taking quite a bit of a beating here, but I think we're going to survive this storm. There we go. You and the crew have successfully managed to survive through the storm, although you may be worse for wear. And it will now take us back to the map screen, and we can move on to the next scenario. We'll try a combat scenario here. The much feared pirate Samson Pero has been following your ship for some days now, and in a sudden turn of the winds, his ship, the Cry of the Serpent, descends upon you. Load the guns and trim the mainsail. And again it'll give you a few seconds before the actual scenario starts. Same thing again, you must control your troops and send them around the ship to either outrun him by using the sails and getting more speed than he can, or send them to the gun room to do as much damage to the enemy ship as you can. Obviously you can also send your men back down to the repair room and they can to decrease the damage. You'll win this scenario by two ways, either outrunning him or sinking him. You can use the guns to do damage to his sails or slow him down. He will do damage to your sails to slow you down. You have more men working the sails to speed you up, more men in the gun room to do more damage, and more men in the workshop to repair more damage. And we'll leave that demo there for now, because as I may have mentioned, we haven't had a chance to implement the other two scenarios. But if you have any questions about the Global Game Jam in general, or this project, don't hesitate to comment and I'll do my best to answer. I would recommend to anyone who's interested in game development to take part in the Global Game Jam. It takes place every January as far as I'm aware, and it's a lot of fun and you meet a lot of interesting people, and there's sites all over the world. Thank you for watching.